Hey everyone, welcome to my life in mini. So for the past 4 or 5 months, itong vertical mouse na to has been my daily driver. This is just a cheap vertical mouse. I decided to switch from yung sa regular na mouse kasi nang time yun sumasakit na yung shoulders ko and I heard na nakakatulong daw tong makabawas ng sakit. And yes, nakatulong siya talaga sa akin. After a week, hindi na masakit yung shoulders ko. Ang problema ko nga lang, habang tumatagal, yung kamay ko, mas lalong sumasakit. So, I tried adjusting yung paghawak dito sa mouse, pero it still did not work. Sumasakit na yung wrist ko. Itong part na to ng kamay ko, sobrang masakit. Yung parts na yan. Itong dalawang to, minsan hindi na sila gumagalaw. And itong part na to sa ilalim ng thumb, masakit na rin. So I decided it's probably time to change. Hindi na siguro talaga makaka-adjust yung kamay ko. And I decided to just use this. This is a trackball mouse. It's from Logitech. It's Logitech M570 Trackman. Yung body ng mouse is made of plastic and yung design niya is common for an ergonomic mouse na nakatilt towards the right para medyo tama yung angle dun sa kamay natin. And then it also has the left and right buttons forward, back, and it also has the scroll wheel. So at the back, it has 4 rubber feet. This is powered by one AA battery, and it has a compartment para dun sa USB dongle. This also has an off and on button, pero kung makalimutan mo man siyang i-off, this goes to sleep pag hindi mo siya ginagamit. So this has a front trackball na you can detach. Tapos dun sa ilalim, you can see the sensor. This is very easy to use. Medyo mas madali siya para sa akin na maka-adjust as compared to sa vertical mouse. Now, let's go and do a sound test. Yung pros na nakikita ko when it comes to this mouse is hindi mo na siya, since trackball yung ginagamit mo, hindi mo na kailangan i-move yung wrist. So, kung isa ka sa mga tao nagkakaroon ng issues sa wrist mo, this would be a better option sa'yo. Also, I don't know, para sa akin kasi comfortable yung position niya. Although I know, hindi sa lahat ng tao magiging comfortable ito para sa inyo. Yung iba siguro medyo malalakyan. Pero sa size ng kamay ko, perfect lang siya. Ang disadvantage naman na nakikita ko is kasi since yung lahat ng movement is nakakoncentrate dito sa trackball, well, one thing positive is pag malaki yung movement na kailangan mo, like you're moving from one screen to another, madali siyang gamitin. But kung precision yung kailangan mo na movement, yung maliliit na movements yung kailangan mo, medyo mahirap pag trackball yung ginagamit mo. And another thing is, since yun nga, lahat ng movement mo is dito, and ang ginagamit mo is yung thumb, eventually, baka, alam mo yun, kung heavy user ka ng mouse, may possibility na sumakit itong button mo dito. Ako kasi ngayon, di ba, since masakit yun dito, medyo yun kasi yung nafe-feel ko. Hindi, yung ibang parts ng kamay ko na masakit. Ngayon, hindi siya masakit, ngawit na lang. Pero ito, masakit pa din siya kasi nga siguro, ito parati yung ginagawa. So, yeah. So, that's my review for the day. And by the way, so, Logitech has already released a newer version of this, which is the Logitech M570. They also have this they also have a trackball mouse, this ergo, or this MX line nila, which is the Logitech MX ergo. So if you guys want to try using a trackball mouse, yeah, you can get it. I chose this instead dun sa bago kasi this is much cheaper. So yeah. So I hope I see you all guys again next time. And yeah, stay happy, stay safe.